What's going on, tryhards? This video is for pool players who are having trouble cutting the ball down the rail, part 2. Let's get right into it. Say I if you've cut the ball like this, or even like this. Ugh, they're so annoying, isn't it? Well, check this out. Let's look at this from a logical standpoint. If the ball is off the rail, the contact point is about in the middle of the ball, not to the edge. If you cut it at the edge, you're going to cut the ball all the way up. So it stands to reason that if you aim at the edge of the ball like so, the object ball is going to come off the rail and you're probably going to end up rattling the ball. One fix for this would be just to simply stop aiming at the far edge and start aiming at the actual contact point. Obviously, if you hit the ball too thick, it's going to bank off the rail and it's going to look like that. We don't want that anymore. So, when you tryhards are practicing these shots, here are 3 things I want you to focus on, and I promise you, you will improve. First of all, for this particular shot, I do shaft aiming and I use the far left of my shaft and I aim at the contact point. That's just me personally. 1, you're probably used to overcutting this ball. I want you to practice hitting it a little bit thicker because believe it or not, you're actually going to be hitting the contact point of the object ball. And we're going to sharpen these skills by doing number 2, which is focusing on that contact point. I want you to be laser locked on where you're supposed to hit and follow through. And that is point number 3. Make sure you follow through on the shot. Do not poke it. Do not hit it. Make sure you have a nice, smooth stroke. Try it out for yourselves. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm Dupree, aka the Tryhard. Y'all keep trying hard, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Oh, and by the way, I used Taom Chalk, and I only had to chalk up 1 time throughout this whole video. Isn't that crazy?